This video guys is I'm teaching my husband Bisaya greeting. Good morning. Good is maayo. Maayong. Morning is buntag. Maayong buntag. Maayong
buntag.
Maayong buntag. Good afternoon is maayong hapon.
Maayong
hapon.
hapon.
Good evening is maayong gabi. Evening is gabi. Gabi. Good day is maayong adlaw. Gidemate, mayang adlaw mate. Maayong adlaw. Maayong adlaw. Hey. Good morning. What is Bisaya? Maayong buntag. Good afternoon. Maayong Odto. Maayong gabi. Good evening. Maayong maayong gabi. Maayong adlaw. Adlaw is day. Maayong adlaw is happy birthday. Malipayong pagsaulog sa adlawng natawhan. Birthday is adlawng natawhan. What is salamat? Thank you.
What is it?
This is Salamat. Walang anuman. Is you are welcome. Tagalog pala yan. Tagalog. Halo. Repeat. Good morning.
Already forgotten.
Oh my God. Maayong adlaw.
So maayong.
Maayo.
Yeah, it's all that.
See, you see it.
Yeah, that's good.
What is, how are you? Kumusta? Good morning. Maayong. Yung buntag. Morning is buntag. Good afternoon. Yung odto. Odto is afternoon. Good evening. Yung gabi. Maayong gabi. Gabi. Maayong gabi. Evening is gabi. Maayong good day, like good day mate. Maayong adlaw. Day is adlaw. Day is adlaw. Adlaw. The sun also is Bisaya is adlaw. The sun.
Day and sun.
Day and the sun is the same. Adlaw. Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, that we call it adlaw. Days.